the top stories at this hour from the Sentinel. COVID cases in Assam inching towards 1,500. 124 new cases were reported in last 24 hours. 99 patients were discharged. Total number of recoveries now stands at 284. The total COVID tally in Assam now stands at 1,485. The number of patients under treatment are 1,172. Meanwhile, the state has added another new testing lab which was inaugurated on Monday. Assam has tested 1 lakh people, the number of tests to go up to 2 lakh by June 15th. Death toll due to flood rises to 9 in Assam. 9 people have lost their lives due to floods in Assam. 2 deaths were reported on Monday from Kampur in Nagaon district. Total number of flood-affected people now stands at 1,97,248. 3 districts, Goalpara, Nagaon and Horai, have been affected by floods. Total of 7,299 people are in relief camps. Water level of most rivers are now receding. Tap water in every household by 2022 in Meghalaya. Conrad Sangma-led Meghalaya government has decided to provide tap water connections to every household in the state in next 2 years. Of total 5.89 lakh rural households, 1.80 lakh households will get tap water connections in 2020-21 itself. 1,096 villages would be covered in phase 1 of the project, that is this year. Opposition to outside labourers in Meghalaya. Organizations of Meghalaya have expressed their resentment to government allowing labourers from outside in the state. The Meghalaya Indigenous People Front or MIPF has said government allowing outside workers to work in the state would create problem. The MIPF said bringing in workers from outside the state would pose a health threat and threat to the livelihood of people from the state. The MIPF has strongly opposed the government's decision. And finally, here's the tally of COVID cases across the northeastern states. Assam tops the tally with 1,485 cases, 284 discharged. The number of active cases stands at 1,194. Tripura follows with 316 cases. 173 people have been recovered so far. Meghalaya reported another new case, taking the state's tally to 28. Meghalaya now has 15 active cases, 12 have recovered and 1 person died due to the coronavirus. Manipur has a total of 78 cases, 67 are active and 11 have recovered. Nagaland's COVID tally stands at 43. Sikkim so far has reported only 1 case. Arunachal Pradesh has seen 15 new cases on Monday, taking the state's total number of cases to 20. Mizoram is COVID-free with no active cases reported so far. And with that, it's a wrap of this edition. Thank you.